Factoring. Practice makes better. So you've done factoring before. Factoring is essentially taking something apart, breaking it into variations of its product. Alright, here we go. When given ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, follow these steps. Step 1. Multiply a times c. Specifically, the coefficients. Step 2. Factor the results from step 1. Be sure to write down all factors. Step 3. Rewrite the quadratic and replace the b value with the factors from step 2, whose sum is equal to the b value. Step 4. Group, factor, and rewrite. Step 5. Check your answer, and you can do this by any form of multiplication. Here's an example. Say that you're given x squared plus 6x plus 5. A is equal to 1 and C is equal to 5, so 1 times 5 is 5. The factors of 5 are 1 times 5 and -1 times -5. Now we're going to rewrite the quadratic and replace the b value. So instead of writing 6x, we're going to write 1x plus 5x. Bring down the leading term and ending term or constant. Now we're going to group the first two, group the second two. Now we're going to factor. Both terms in the first parentheses have an x in common. Factoring out of x leaves x times x plus 1. In the second parentheses, both numbers have a 5 in common. Factoring out the 5, you get 5 times the quantity x plus 1. Notice that x plus 1 shows up on both sides. Make that one parentheses. And the information outside, the x and the 5, become the other parentheses. Pay attention to signs. You can multiply these to check your work. Alright, time for you to try. Alright, given x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0, follow the steps. Did you get the quantity x plus 6 times the quantity x plus 2? Check your work. Great job. Now, these steps always work. Let's try this. So what do we do first? A times C. Coefficients. Find the factors. Remember, we're looking for the ones to replace the b value. Since our b value is -8, these are the correct two. Replace the b value with the product whose sum is equal. Bring down the first and last term. Group the first two terms and the second two terms. Pay attention to signs. Factor out common terms. Notice that both sets contain x minus 2, so that becomes one parentheses, and the information on the outside becomes your other parentheses. And always check your work. Practice makes better. Thanks for watching.